Hello, today is August 12th, 2010, and I'm Anthony. This morning I underwent a laparoscopic inguinal hernia repair operation. Try saying that 3 times fast. Over the last few days, as I was preparing for this surgery, I tried to find some stories of people who had undergone the same operation, so I would know what to expect of the recovery process. I didn't find very much helpful information, so I decided to make this video log for any of you that might be undergoing the same procedure in the near future and have the same concerns I did. In the morning, I went through the regular morning hospital routine. I got the gown on, they started the IV, and then they rolled me into the operation room. In the operation room, they had me scoot from the bed over to the operation table, and I kid you not, less than 5 seconds after my head touched the operation table, I was out. The surgery lasted about an hour, so I'm told. I woke up in the recovery room, and the first thing that the nurse asked me was, what is my pain? On a pain scale of 1 to 10, 1 being no pain, 10 being unbearable pain. And I was hurting pretty bad. It was an 8. The nurse fixed that pretty quickly by giving me some morphine and a Percocet. The other problem that I had was severe cotton mouth. That was okay as well, because directly after this surgery you're allowed to have liquids. After they fixed the pain and they helped quench my thirst, they gave me about an hour just to lay there, and then they had me go change my clothes and await my ride. My ride took me straight to the pharmacy where we dropped off the prescription. I felt good enough at that point, my pain was probably around a 4, that I was actually able to get up and walk the prescription to the counter as opposed to go through the drive-thru. Since then, I feel about the same. My pain level is still about a 4. It just feels like I've been doing sit-ups all day pretty much, like a sore muscle in my stomach. And I'm able to get up to go to the restroom if I need to, or to prepare some food. I'm allowed to eat anything that I would like except for tomato soup, and the only other restriction that they really gave me is I don't need to lift anything over 20 pounds for the next 2 weeks. I wanted to talk a minute about the medicine that they gave me. They gave me Percocets, and there are a few minor side effects that you should be aware of. First, it also causes cotton mouth. Second, it will cause me to kind of go to half to sleep and imagine weird things. And then third, when I'm half asleep, also my feet feel like they're numb and my scalp feels like it's itching, but neither is true, because as soon as I wake up, my feet are there and fine and my scalp isn't itching. That's day 1. They say that sometimes the pain gets worse on day 2 as everything starts to be flushed out of your system, that anesthesia and stuff like that. Tomorrow I'll do another. I would like to, before I end, I would like to thank everybody in my community here that has called me and checked up on me. I would especially like to thank my friend John for picking me up and taking me to get my prescription and bringing me home from the hospital. Again, I will see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope that this is helpful information.